Hello, my name is Confidence Ahuekwe, and this is my group project in Sensors and Actuators course. My group partner is Ifiok-Obong Sunday, and here we have a smart lighting system with a light intensity sensor, like a photocell. So here is our photocell, and purpose of this project basically is to build a smart lighting system that practicalizes the use of a light intensity sensor and an LED, right? So, and here we have our relay. So the light intensity sensor measures, which is this LDR, light dependent resistor here. It measures the ambient light level and sends the information to the control unit, which is the Arduino board here, and then based on the received data from the Arduino board, the control unit adjusts the brightness of the smart LED bulbs through the relay. So basically what we have here is we have an Arduino which is serving as our control unit. We have a DP/DT double pole double throw switch here, which is serving as our actuator that controls the LED display, which is the output. So this LDR receives signal based on the intensity of light that it receives, and then sends it to the Arduino through the analog pin A0. This is the data pin here, and then from the data pin A0 we can see that it is being powered by the 3.3 volts pin of the Arduino and the ground, and then the data pin A0 receives the signal from the LDR, the light dependent resistor we have here. Then over here we have the digital pin 3 connected to the relay, sending data to the relay, while the LED light emitting diode, which is connected to one of the switch pins of the relay, and then the other is connected to the digital ground pin here. And basically from this circuit what we have here is when you connect the power supply, so the relay is powered by an external 12 volt power supply. This is a 12 volt power supply powering this relay right through the coil pins, and this is an 8-pin DP/DT switch relay. So by DP/DT we mean double pole double throw. So we are using just one of the poles to control the LED. So what happens is, having this circuit connected like this is fully powered, and then we have a code, an Arduino code that instructs, where the instruction is being programmed on how the system works. So based on the instruction, what happens is that when the light intensity of this LED depreciates, the instruction states that the relay should trigger the LED on. So here we have, as I cover the LDR with my hands, you see that the LED comes on. If I remove my hand, once it absorbs light, enough light, it goes off. And once I cover it to prevent the light from entering the LED, that means it senses darkness. It assumes that there is darkness by me covering the LDR with my hand. It assumes that there is darkness, so it's based on the instruction from the Arduino. The relay triggers the LED bulb on, and once I remove my hand, it absorbs light, so the LED goes off, so the relay switches back to 0. and when I comes in, it switches to 1, that's high. And I'll walk you through the code real quick. So this is the code, you can take a look at it. We have this where we said the input pin, the relay pin is connected to pin 3. You can see the sensor pin A0, that's the data pin, and this is the analog threshold of 500, and this is the instruction on what happens. Digital write relay pin low, turn off relay. If analog value is less than analog threshold, digital write relay pin high, so 500 happens to be the threshold. And yeah, this is just like a sneak peek into the code that controls this circuit. Thank you.